900 Mercedes-Benz 500 SEK. Price, 12,650. Location, Chicago. The 1985 Mercedes-Benz 500 SEK is a true icon of luxury from an era when engineering excellence defined the brand. With its elegant pillarless coupe design, this car delivers a clean and timeless silhouette that still turns heads today. Finished in anthracite gray metallic, it reflects a subtle yet commanding presence, perfectly paired with a refined alpaca gray interior that enhances its classic appeal. The power behind this Grand Tourer comes from a 5.0-liter V8 engine, delivering smooth and consistent performance. Paired with an automatic transmission, the driving experience is effortless, whether cruising through the city or gliding along the highway. This is the kind of car that was built not just for speed, but for comfort, stability, and long-distance reliability. The W126 platform, known for its durability, is widely respected among enthusiasts for its ability to handle high mileage with proper care. This 500cc stands as a testament to that legacy, offering features like four-wheel disc brakes, power-assisted steering, and a finely tuned suspension system that ensures a balanced and confident ride. The interior of this coupe is designed with both luxury and practicality in mind. Equipped with air conditioning, power windows, cruise control, and comfortable bucket seats, every journey feels relaxing. The classic VDO instrument cluster provides clear and functional information, while the Becker Grand Prix radio adds a nostalgic touch that completes the vintage driving experience. The car also rides on stylish 16-inch Sentra T31 wheels fitted with Nexen tires, giving it a solid stance on the road. Additional details such as factory literature, original tools, a jack, and a full-size spare tire further enhance its value and authenticity. These small but important elements show how well-preserved and thoughtfully maintained this vehicle is. The 1985 Mercedes-Benz 500 SEK is more than just a classic car. It is a symbol of craftsmanship, durability, and timeless luxury. For collectors or anyone looking to experience the golden age of Mercedes-Benz, this coupe offers an opportunity that is both rare and rewarding.